Friday, April 12th, 2024. I made a slight modification compositionally in the print I made, a new print first new line I've got in some years, a Banco Boidio 9,000 Boidios banknote. And what I did was I kind of cut out space all around the shape of the budgie wedgie here, parakeet, budgerigar. And I think it might be visually more exciting. We'll see how it turns out shortly. This will be part one. The video part two. I'm going to pull the paper off. There's the paper. I also printed the prints I printed a couple of years ago in blue. I'm doing this in black, which is more similar to a print I made around 1990 called the 5,000 Segan banknote. Budgies, are you watching this? Good. This is in your honor, guys. Gal. All right. Almost got it here. Get that top edge. There we go. Get that top edge. Bottom edge. Yeah, there's like lots of little parallel lines. All right. This is part one to be continued.